Hi guys, it's Joey, sales manager here at Volo. Today we have a 1966 Chevy 2. A lot of people call it a Nova. Technical name is a Chevy 2, but we're going to take it for a spin. This car is Marina blue, and this is the factory color for this one. You can see all the way through the seams, nice fit and finish on the door panels, nice fit and finish chrome on the handles, everything looks good. Really clean body all the way through, nice and smooth. One of the things on the SS that sets it apart from just a standard 400 or Chevy 2 is this aluminum panel in the back. So this panel was part of the SS option, which in 1966, when you ordered the car, would have costed you $159. Part of the other part of the package was the SS script here on the rear quarter. You'd have to have that. In 66, they changed the body style a little bit. They gave it a different rear quarter, gave it a little bit some hips, made it a much more appealing car to some. You can see down here, really clean. The wide rocker panel molding was also part of the SS package. The standard ones didn't have rocker moldings, and or they were a lot thinner and smaller. Nice smooth gaps here. Clean fit and finish. Looks like all the chrome has been either redone or polished on this car. Top of the car is super clean. Really nice paint job. Just the right amount of metal flake, you can see. Really clean. The SS emblem here in the front grille, also distinguished SS in 1966. Nice clean chrome bumpers all the way around. They look new. Here's an option too. Both mirrors. A lot of times there was only the mirror on the driver's side. You had to pay extra for this passenger side mirror. On the outside, it's also sporting some chrome rally wheels. They wouldn't have been chrome originally. That's a nice upgrade. These are 15 inches, a little wider in the back, give it that meaty stance. Paint shows really well on this car. A couple little imperfections if you're searching for them. Saw a little earlier, but just really clean all the way through. Well, let's see what the interior looks like. All right, so inside the trunk, looks like a brand new car cover. Get that out of our way. You can see the trunk pan is very clean. It's got the correct splatter paint. In the back here, there's a little spot. It's got some air shocks on the back. Full-size spare. Looks like a jack and everything's mounted under the spare. On the rear quarter, you can see the original sticker for the jack and the instructions. Really clean metal throughout. All the seals look new, very pliable, not dried out. Under the deck lid is all clean, polished, clear coated, painted. They did a really solid job all the way through. On the doors, you can see nice, clean painted door jambs. It's got the correct GM sticker, new weather stripping throughout. Looks like the weather stripping all the way around the car is in good shape. Door cards are really clean. They may be original, they might be replaced, but they are in great shape. You can see new dash pad, new clear dash. AC was added, so it's got some aftermarket vents down in the bottom of the dash. Looks like the original gauge cluster. It's got a newer Resto sound radio with cassette player, in case you want to throw back. Stewart Warner gauges. All the gauges are working as they should. Nice AC vents. These are adjustable in case you want it blowing right on you or you don't. Seats in great shape. These seats have definitely been recovered. They are way too nice to be original. Back seat as well. Very clean. No sagging headliner. This headliner's in great shape. Even the sill panels, a lot of times those will show age and wrinkle. Dome lights working the way it's supposed to with the doors open. does have the Church Boys tilt steering column with the correct steering wheel. It's a billet insert on there. Nice all the way around. The tilt steering is really good. Makes it easy to get in and out of when you're a little taller. Under the hood here, we have a date-coded correct 327. This one does have a lot of upgrades to it. It's got a set of aluminum AFR heads, an Edelbrock Performer intake, looks like a decent sized Holley carburetor, billet distributor, probably an MSD distributor. It's great. They have the fin match valve covers and air cleaner, and they painted the center section to match. Goes really good. Long tube headers. One of the other upgrades they did was AC. So this has the great new AC system. You can see powered disc brakes and power steering, all really clean. And to keep it cool, it's got this big aluminum radiator right here, so you can drive this thing when it's nice and warm out and not have to worry about any overheating issues. Under the hood, all painted, it's got the correct installation in here. Not only does it keep the heat in, but the sound, so it's not loud when you're driving it around. So the underside of this car has a lot of upgrades as well. Like I said, it's got the Church Boys rack and pinion up front. It does have the disc brakes. It's got a 10-bolt rear end. It's got air shocks in the back. Flowmaster exhaust with a crossover pipe. One of the things I forgot to mention was it's got a Muncie 4-speed. So it's got a Rock Crusher 4-speed in it, which you really want. That's one of the things that really helped this car turn it in from just a traditional compact car, is what it started out as in 1966, to a muscle car. Was that 327 and a Muncie 4-speed. So if you like the video, hit the like button. You can subscribe. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at volocars.com. Let us know, and we hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.